Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. Today we are going to Five Below to try to find things that you can cut with your diode laser. I'm not going to buy all of these things. What I'm gonna buy is things that I need. So I'll just get some ideas for you guys while we're in there, because we are gonna head over to the dollar store after this, and I'm gonna do this same video. So check that video out if you're like a dollar store lover, or Five Below might be a little higher than what you want to spend. So let's go. They have bog bag dupes, even though I know Target has them too, but you can engrave the silicone. The handles come off, so gonna have to get those. Hate these cups, but love the colors. So if you're looking for a cheap cup, maybe for a favor, you could maybe engrave the top. This Jenga set, this one's already pre-painted, which I've been wanting to paint my own, but you can actually engrave on the blocks and create a fun little dare game out of it, or some like challenges or some cute questions that people have to answer so you can get to know each other. I love that idea. This big faux leather mat for your desk is really cool. You could engrave it. Maybe someone has a business or they're starting a business and you want to gift that to them. These manly journals are cool, and they are faux leather as well. So you could engrave them and paint inside the engraving if you wanted, or just leave it raw. They have a bunch of different colors too. There's some lime green, so that might be fun for a little branding. I love this one with a cute little pretzel. How cute would this be to do like a Disney theme and some memories from Disneyland? These caught my eye. They are wood, so they'll engrave. Not sure if you wanted to put like something cute along this bottom part for an artist. They also have these wood blanks, which you could do a cute saying for a nursery and hand paint it. This cork board, dry erase board, I actually grabbed it. Not sure if I'll use it, but a wood painting palette would be super cute for an artist to whether do their website on it or just something cute. Lots of things you could do for the artists along the side. All the things. Cornhole, and it's table size, so it's small. You could totally engrave somebody's business name into it. I was thinking to sand the top off. That way you could do like a full custom set for like your boss or somebody you know who has like a room they use. These silicone water bottles are kind of cool. I really do want to test out engraving on silicone, so stay tuned. They also have these glass cups that are super cute, and the lids are engravable, so you can add custom sayings to the top, like the sides too. Here's some jumbo dice, which I don't know, it's kind of MDF material, so you could engrave it. I was just thinking for something fun, again, like you could do some dares, almost like the Jenga set. I love the lanyards at Five Below. They're not necessarily engravable, but you can definitely add your own keychains to them. Add them to your keychain bars. I'm also doing these for my camera strap. I showed you guys in a live video, but I got two, and I could add custom charms. Also eyeballed these little beads that are made out of wood, so I feel like these are engravable. Also bracelets, well, these are keychains as well, but you could engrave them. And look at the cute patterns, like just to add to your keychains, your custom keychains, to elevate them for whether you're gifting or making stuff. Then I eyeballed some leather ones, so those are definitely engravable. Gotta try that. Again, if you want me to do silicone, let me know, because they've got these AirPod cases and these travel, I did actually grab these, so I will be testing these travel bottles for my Mexico trip, and I will let you guys know. Look how cute though, the hot pink ones, all the silicone. I have to learn to engrave it. They even have Apple Watch bands, which are engravable. These cord organizers are kind of cool. I thought you could title them with a little tiny letter for each one. They even have more of these bottles in the dollar spot, but I liked the set better, so I grabbed the whole set. But these are cute. They also have brushes made out of silicone, so you could add somebody's name to these or something custom, but they're just cute the way they are. I actually wanted to get them to bling them because I thought they'd be so fun. Okay guys, let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do any more stores or go back to Five Below, because I know they get new stuff all the time. So go along with me to stores. If you like this series, give it a thumbs up, and please let me know. Otherwise, I will not waste my time or your time doing them ever again. Bye, love you.